Today we're going to be changing the battery in this dead remote. You look for that little button and push it on the side. It brings out your spare key use it as a tool to separate these parts. I had trouble separating them because I'm clumsy. Alright. Open them both up, they'll come apart. What you're going to see is the circuit boards on the one on my left hand, and I just want to move it over here, okay. And then there's the battery. Notice the orientation of the battery. I use the key to pop the battery out. And notice the writing side, that's your 2032 battery, goes on the bottom, face down. I'm going to prop this up with the key. Pop that bad boy out of there. Alright, you stay over there. Grab my new battery. Alright, push him in until he clicks. Bam, thumbs up. I'll put that bad boy together. Top side down with the bow tie, so you don't mess with the circuits. And snap, click, biggity bam, son. It's in there. I put the key back in, and now you got a new battery. Bart'll do. Have a nice day.